If you are hearing my voice for the first time, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Trust me, you will love it here, so please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. The good news is that it is absolutely free. They don't take money, okay, if you do so. Thank you so much. Today, we are going to fry some shrimps, and without wasting your time, let's start. I have my shrimps here. I'll just go ahead and then cut the legs. Should you don't want to cut it, you are good to go. Just do it anyhow you want it, okay? Yes, you have to enjoy your food the way you want it. But this is how I do mine, and trust me, you will love it if you try. Now, cut the legs just like how you are seeing on the screen, and then we will continue. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and this recipe is in Twi language, and the name is Recipe Goddess. Please check it out on YouTube and you will love it. So I am not going to cut everything here for you to see so that I will waste your time like that, okay? So we are going to continue behind the scene, and when I'm done with everything, I will show you how it looks. Welcome back. This is how it looks. Perfect. Now you have to wash your shrimps very well before we continue. I have washed it already, and now I have my salt here. I'm just going to add the salt to it. Please use any salt of choice. This is pink salt we are using today. Now I will add my water and then allow this to stay for 30 minutes, and make sure the shrimps are in it very well, okay? Yes, let the water cover the shrimps very well so that the salt can penetrate well. That is just by the way. After 30 minutes, I have strained the water from it. Now they look dry, a bit dry. I'll go ahead and then start frying. I thought the oil was very hot, but not knowing it wasn't. I'm just going to be patient for it, okay, so that it will not burn, or I will not put pressure on it. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do well to follow us. Sometimes the things we share on the other platforms are different from the ones we share on YouTube. Please, so I'll be very happy if you follow me. Please do not forget to like this video, share to others, and then leave me your comments in the comment section. Now our shrimps are ready, but we want it a bit dry, so we are just going to leave it on fire and allow it to become the perfect shrimps we are looking for. It looks so nice at this moment. I'm just going to take the shrimps out from the oil because they are ready. Please do well to let them rest on the paper towel or in the colander, because there is a lot of oil there, and if you don't do so, they are just going to stay in the shrimps, and that can make it go bad early. So make sure you place them on the paper towel and then in your colander, okay? Thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful. And my returning subscribers, thank you for always spending some time with me. So I come your way next time. Please do not forget to subscribe and then share this video to others. Let me see your comments in the comment section. Remember to do good, love yourself first, and always know that I love you. So I come your way next time. See you in the next video. I love you. Bye bye.